Bitchy SL wanted cat's attention. The cat chose me. My SIL has always been passive-aggressive and rude to me due to issues she specifically has with my partner, her brother. Issues she doesn't bother to directly work out with him. She shuts me out of conversations. She refused to get to know me better, talk to me, build any relationship, say hi, or reply to my texts. She treats me like I'm unwelcome whenever I see her. She's one of those I like cats more than I like people, and I will always remind you of that types. At a friend's party, she begged and pleaded for their cat's attention all night. I shifted the way I sat so the cat could sit on my lap. The cat chose me. She was salty.